There's no way Thomas can beat me now. Huh? Ah! Wait, I'm going the wrong way.
Thomas, catch! Thanks, guys. Next stop, whisk. Time for a track attack. Go, Thomas!
Hold on to your stack, because Diesel's back.
I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I'm gonna pull ahead of you.
This ought to slow him down.
Huh?
See you at the finish line.
I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I'm gonna catch up to you. Phew, that's hard work. Oh no! Oh! My cars! Yikes! That was close! Ah! Percy, stop! Whack!
Don't worry, Thomas. I switched the track to stop your runaway cars.
Carly, those tracks are out! Look!
Oops.
Looks like I'm gonna be out too! Oh no! Epic mud plunge!
Come on, we've got to get you back on the track.
Oh, what's the point? Diesel's so far ahead now, I'm never gonna win the race.
There's no way Thomas can beat me now. Huh? Ah! Wait, I'm going the wrong way.
Thomas, catch! Thanks, guys. Next stop, whisk. Time for a track attack. Go, Thomas!
Hold on to your stack, because Diesel's back.
I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I'm gonna pull ahead of you.
This ought to slow him down.
Huh?
See you at the finish line.
I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I'm gonna catch up to you. Phew, that's hard work. Oh no! Oh! My cars! Yikes! That was close! Ah! Percy, stop! Whack!
Don't worry, Thomas. I switched the track to stop your runaway cars.
Carly, those tracks are out! Look!
Oops.
Looks like I'm gonna be out too! Oh no! Epic mud plunge!
Come on, we've got to get you back on the track.
Oh, what's the point? Diesel's so far ahead now, I'm never gonna win the race. Oh! Hi, trains I've never seen before. I'm Sandy. How can I help you?
Psst! It's us, Thomas and Percy. We're secret agents.
Cool. Great disguises.
Thanks. We're wondering if you have any cool gadgets for sneaking around in the dark.
Do I ever?
Shh! We're on a super secret mission.
Oh, right. Follow me. A little bit to the left? No, the right. Sorry. There we go. Huh? Ta-da! Now you can send secret colour messages with your stacks. Try it.
That means look out. dinosaur on the tracks.
Epic steam signal. I've also hooked a tank of super slippery gloop to you, in case you need to make a quick getaway. Whee! See?
Cool!
Now, for the super secretest gadget of all. Huh?
What is it?
It's so super secret, I don't even know. It's only for a really big emergency.
Thanks, Sandy. Now we're ready for anything.
Yeah! I'm not so scared if I feel prepared.
Ready, Agent 006?
Ready, Agent number 1.
Thanks for using Sandy's super duper super secret gadget service.
Come on, let's turn off our lights and see if we can make it past the big station without being seen.
Turn off our lights? Okay.
Be really quiet.
Hey, Thomas!
Hi.
You didn't peep in the tunnel, are you okay?
Gordon doesn't want me peeping on this delivery. But listen to this.
That's great! And you can totally still get the job done and peep at the same time.
I know. It's like he won't let me have fun my own way.
Kind of like the obstacle course this morning.
Oh, that's why everyone left. You're scared of this big hill,
Yes, I know.
so going over it isn't fun for you.
Yes, I know.
Which means you didn't like my loop-de-loop because it's like a big hill.
Yes, I know.
So the super-duper loop-de-looper probably felt super-duper...
Loop-de-lousy.
Oh, Percy, I didn't mean to make you feel that way.
It wasn't just me.
Huh?
See you, Thomas.
Percy, wait!
You can do it. You can do it.
Hey, Kana.
I really need to focus right now. These curves are tricky for me.
Oh, right. Like in the zigzag zone. Those curves must have been really tricky for you, too.
Yeah.
Hey, Kana, I'm really...
Bye, Thomas.
sorry.
Wait. Woohoo! Told you mud was awesome.
It does feel kind of good on my gears. Oh, that's why you kept jumping in the mud instead of over it.
Huh?
Now I know what I did wrong. I made the best rules for me, but everyone has their own ways of having fun. I know how to get things back on track. Hi, James.
Kitty.
Oops, did it again. Hi, Emily. Hey, Diesel. Those rattling pipes are kind of loud.
Kitty.
What you say? I can't hear you over these rattling pipes. I said those rattling pipes.
What? Huh?
I've got to get away from this noise. Oh, you want to race? Game on! No, I'm not racing. I'm just trying to get somewhere. Quieter. Can't get away from me, Thomas. We'll see about that. Hey, where are you going? To Brendam Docks. The quiet way. So quiet, so peaceful. So bumpy and twisty. Whoa, whoa. Phew. Wow! Full steam ahead. Whoa! No steam ahead. Gotta slow down. So loud! Wish I had a brake car!
Roses are red, violets are blue. I'm part of a train. How about you?
They're still asleep? Wow! Well, if all that didn't wake them up, I bet nothing will.
lunchtime. I could use a spot of tea.
Spoke too soon. Gotta get them out of this rain. Kana, what you doing back here?
I don't know what happened. I just suddenly stopped.
Are you out of steam?
I don't use steam. I run on electric power. But my battery is fully charged. Something must be wrong.
What could it be?
I don't know. I'm just super stopped. How will I get my cars to Vickerstown Station if I can't go?
What if I tow your cars and you to Vickerstown?
But what if you aren't fast enough to get us there by sundown?
I may not be as fast as you, but I can still get you there on time. I, Thomas, promise.
Electric. Thanks, Thomas.
Hold on tight. Let's roll.
You okay, Thomas?
A little tougher than I thought. Just gonna give it a little more axle grease.
We're rolling.
Yeah. We're on our way.
Thomas, is there anywhere at all we could go just a little quicker? We're not alone. Huh?
Thomas, can you please pick up the pace? We do need to get to Harwick, dear.
And we need to get there today, love.
Yes, got it. Doing my best.
I thought high-speed engines were supposed to be high speed. Are we going backwards?
I've never held anyone up before.
Please pick up the pace, Thomas!
Is there anything we can do?
That dragon's mine. I say thee, nay, my good knight.
Aww.
The Green Knight is ready for battle! Ha ha ha! Gotcha! Done gotcha.
The Black Knight is invisible behind his smoke screen.
Huzzah!
I will catch thee, Blue Knight. Huh?
Lost 'em.
Dragon spotted!
I'm gonna
It's
reach
my
him.
turn. Gotta find a way to... Get away!
Hey!
Wow!
Yay, banners!
The Blue Knight still has his dragon.
Gotcha! Hey, where's the dragon?
It's Dragon!
Oh no! Where'd it go? Phew! It stopped atop that hill.
Person to capture the dragon is a noble knight.
I'm definitely gonna be the noblest knight.
Wait! No! The glory shall remain mine! Whoa! Run away, dragon!
Run away from the dragon!
What a beautiful day for a big adventure.
Wait for me!
What is all that stuff?
An adventurer should be prepared for anything.
We're going to a mine, Percy.
The snorkel is in case the mine is flooded and we gotta go underwater.
And what's that?
A ghost scare machine. The mines could be haunted, and if I'm prepared, I won't be scared.
We made it! Now all we gotta do is find that crystal cave. Those guys are gonna be so amazed that little Sandy got there first.
You mean that Sandy and Diesel got there first?
Right. Here we are. Better grab the map. Okay, straight ahead.
When I said the old man was dark and scary, why didn't I listen? Are we almost there?
Not sure. This old map is hard to read. Everyone okay?
Maybe we should head back home.
Come take a look at this, Percy.
Which way should we go?
It's so dark in here, I can barely read the map. Look!
That way.
Come on, Big Adventure Club.
Oh, yeah.
Why couldn't I have signed up for the Little Adventure Club?
This way, Diesel. Come on.
Easy for you to say. You're so little this old bridge isn't falling apart underneath you.
Wow! The old mine is even older and minier than I thought it would be. And darker. And scarier. That's right. I've got Percy's lucky bell. With this bell by my side, nothing can go wrong. Let's do this. That was close. What? Huh? So close. All right. Whoa! Phew. There's the platform. I made it. Thomas! Maybe it doesn't have a bottom. I did it! I made it through the mine! And it was all because of Percy's lucky bell. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. I don't need to feel afraid, won't bend or break or fall, because I've got a special bell that takes care of it all. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Caves, monsters or broken track, I think I'll be okay. This lucky bell sure has a knack for saving every day. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Percy gave this bell to me. I'm lucky he's my friend, so I'll take care of Percy's bell until the very end.
Hi, Carly.
Hey, Sandy. Anyone order some new tracks?
Right this way, Locomiga.
Lay the track.
Snap the track.
Cross the track. Thanks. Wow, this was a bigger job than I thought. Guess I needed a lot of help after all.
Job's not over yet.
Now that we're back on track, let's go see that giant sand mountain.
Come on, Carly. You don't want to miss it.
And who knows if I'll need some more help along the way.
I do have some extra track pieces.
2 whiffs.
First thing I'm going to do when I see that sand mountain is make the sandiest sandcastle ever. How about you?
I'm going to extend my crane to see if it's as tall as me.
I bet it's way taller. What are you going to do, Thomas? Thomas?
Are we there yet?
Almost. Just one mountain away. One steep mountain, that is.
Not the best time for me to be getting hot and tired from hauling this heavy sand.
Say no more. I could build you a fan to cool off. Or how about a nice cosy shed for a nap? Or I could read you my favourite bedtime story, the Itsy Bitsy Speeder.
That's okay. I think I'm just a little thirsty. That's all.
Look, there's a water tower over there.
I'm on it.
Sandy, you'd have to do everything yourself. I already know you're helpful.
Don't be silly. I've got it. Come on!
Careful, the water tower is tipping.
Don't worry, almost got it.
Sandy, look out!